Your dental newsletters and blogs can serve you well in your marketing efforts to attract new patients. If, that is, your prospects actually read them. Now, you can guess what your prospects and patients want to read about, or you can take steps and actually go find out. I'll be back after the break to tell you more. I'm Colin, receiver. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. Newsletters are a mainstay of dental marketing, and done right, they can keep your current patients informed and encourage your prospects to pick up the phone and make an appointment. Now, done wrong, all too often, newsletters wind up being briefly scanned and deleted, if that. A lot of times they get sorted over the trash can. There's a lot of factors involved in creating a winning dental newsletter, but the two most important are content and timing. Most dentists have a rough idea of what they want to write about because it's what they want their patients and prospects to know. And they have more or less a set schedule for releasing newsletters because it's convenient or it's all that the practice can manage. Those dentists are spending their time and money and effort without knowing exactly what their audience wants to read or how often. And that is almost the definition of bad marketing. You don't have to follow in their footsteps, though. With surprisingly little effort, you can find out what your prospects and patients want to read about and how often they want to read. In-office patient surveys are a fast and inexpensive way to get the information you need from your patients. Now, if you have waiting times or even very short ones, hopefully, this would be a great time to hand out a short survey and list a few topics in plain English or Espanol, if that's your case, and make the responses check the box. You can also do this online and capture information from your patients and prospects there. Now, depending on the number of responses you want to capture, you can do something like even SurveyMonkey, which is free, or even less than $30 a month if you want to capture up to 1,000 responses. There are other online surveys that you can use, or you might even consider adding an occasional survey to your website. But the bottom line is you don't have to fire blindly with your newsletter when you know what to aim at. Learn what your audience wants to read and how often, and it'll be a much more effective marketing tool. Join me for tomorrow's podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.